Questions by Manfred Mann. In a dream, it would seem I went to those who closed the open door and turning the key, I sat and spoke to those inside of me. They answered my questions with questions, and then pointed me into the night, where the room was a star-painted dancer, and the world was just a spectrum of light. They reached to my center of reason, and pulled on the dust songs that there. The shadows of light had me reeling, and I fell into the depths of despair. Turning the key, I sat and spoke to those inside of me. They answered my questions with questions, and they set me to stand on the bridge, where the sun and the moon were as brothers, and all that was left was to think. They answered my questions with questions, and they pointed me into the night, and the power that bore had left me alone to figure out which way was right. Thank you. Please like and share, and don't forget to subscribe. God bless everyone.